3 planets. Each one breaks a different law of physics. Each one has a different explanation from NASA, and all 3 explanations end with the same 2 words. We don't know. I wasn't supposed to find any of this, but here we are. I'm Evan, NASA intern, access level 0. Last time I almost got fired. This time I definitely almost got fired. But I found 3 planets that don't just break the rules of physics, they look physics in the eye and laugh. Let's go! First file, KELT 9b. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think this qualifies as a planet anymore. I think it qualifies as a war crime against physics.
Oh my God!
Surface temperature, 4,300 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than some stars. Not all stars, some stars. Which is insane to even say out loud.
Okay.
It's so hot that molecules literally cannot hold themselves together. Hydrogen atoms try to form bonds and the heat just says no. They break apart instantly. So the planet is actively evaporating every second, just quietly dissolving into space while orbiting its star. NASA calls it a planet. I'm calling it a cosmic oven that forgot to turn itself off.
Stop it.
And the worst part? It completes 1 full orbit in less than 2 days.
Are you running?
So it's being roasted, dissolved, and sprinting simultaneously. Imagine running a marathon on the sun while melting. And I need you to stay calm when I say this. This planet might be made of diamond. 1/3 of it, solid diamond. The pressure is so high that carbon compresses into crystalline structures across an entire planetary surface. Scientists think it's worth $26.9 nonillion. I don't even know how to say that number. I Googled it. My brain gave up halfway through. But, and this is the part where the universe laughs at us, the surface is covered in lava oceans, thousands of degrees, completely molten. So yes, you found the diamond planet. Congratulations, you are now ash. The universe built the most expensive object in existence and then put it behind a wall of liquid fire. That's not an accident. That's a personality, also known as Super Saturn. And I want you to picture Saturn's rings. Now make them 200 times bigger. If this planet were sitting where Saturn is in our solar system, its rings would be visible in our night sky, bigger than the full moon. You could look up on a clear night and see them with your naked eye. Here's the problem. Those rings are so massive that theoretically, according to our own models, a moon should have formed inside them by now and cleared them out. That's just how gravity works. But the rings are still there, untouched, like something is holding them in place. We don't know what. I wrote that in the file. I labeled it unknown. My supervisor crossed it out and wrote, further research required. Same thing. We just don't know. So, 3 planets that have no business existing the way they do. A planet hotter than stars that's slowly erasing itself. A diamond world locked behind in an ocean of lava. And a ring system so big it should be gone by now, but isn't. Which one broke you the most? 1, 2, and 3. Drop it in the comments. I'll read them right after I figure out whose footsteps those are outside the server room. Subscribe before they change my password again.